Hi, I would like to ask you, when is the last time that you shouted to the Creator for help? Do you feel sometimes that you have rage, anger, frustration, deep agony, or feeling helpless? It's possible that you did everything that you could to solve your problems, but nothing serious changed. It's possible that you ask yourself, why it's happening to me? Where is God? I'm a good person. It's not fair. Maybe you ask yourself how to go out from that situation. Maybe you ask others. But I'm going back to the original question. Did you ever call God, yell to God, or you spoke with God? I want to share with you that there is inside of you the power to draw the ability to go out from bondage into freedom. If you could just believe in your power, in your ability to call that assistance. This is similar to the process that happened in the time of Exodus. That at that time it was the beginning of opening the gate for freedom. And it started with the people of Israel shouting to God from within. It was a quiet shout. It was from the depth of the heart. And even though that it was quiet, still draw that change of situation that took place to freedom. It's possible to strengthen that calling to God with the names of God that were revealed at the time of splitting the Red Sea. Holy names. This is the power of the Creator that is being revealed and can change the way that nature acts, the order of nature. It's beyond nature. Moses was using holy names. With them, he changed the situation. These names are revealed in the book that I wrote, The Secret Bridge, that speaks about the holy names of God, through which you can enhance your connection to the light of God. You can enhance your shouting to God. You can direct that shouting to different areas of life, if this is sustenance, health, freedom, tranquility, or how to protect yourself from negative thoughts of others, or from evil eye, and so on. This book is a manual that teaches how to meditate or how to ask in a proper manner. It gives you tools, practical tools that you can use again and again and again to call God in a more powerful way, directed way, using the tools that Moses used to split the Red Sea. Obviously that we are not able to reveal the secrets on the same level that Moses knew, but on the level that each one of us can use it comfortably. This book is also giving introduction to Kabbalah, that you can have the basic concepts of Kabbalah in order to understand how to use the names. I wish you good life and success, and take advantage and learn from this book. Use it. It's a manual to life, how to ask God for blessing, for health, and all the rest. Enjoy it.